Excuse me. Oh man, that was such a good idea you had to sneak into this pet store after hours. Oh man. So we can play with the guinea pigs. You know what they do to me. They just make me so sneezy. So sneezy. Oh, but it feels so good. What? What was that? Someone's coming. Do you think they heard us? Quick, let's go into this closet. Oh man. I really have to sneeze. There's getting back dander all over my shirt. Oh god. My nose really tickles. Help me hold it back. Push your finger under my nose. Stifling isn't helping at all. Do you have guinea pig dander on your finger? Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't hold it back. I'm gonna have to let these sneezes out. It just tickles too much. Do you think they're gone? They are? Oh, thank God. Oh, bless me. Oh, that feels so much better, though. Oh, do you have a tissue? Thank you. Oh, that feels amazing. What do you want to do now?